and is a refreshing and flavorful drink. Saka saka is a traditional Central African dish made from cassava leaves that are cooked in a rich and savory peanut sauce. The dish is popular throughout the country and is often served with rice or fufu. To make saka saka, the cassava leaves are first washed and chopped into small pieces. The leaves are then cooked in boiling water for about 20 minutes until they are soft and tender. The cooked leaves are then drained and set aside. Next, a peanut sauce is prepared by blending roasted peanuts with water, garlic, onions, and tomatoes in a food processor or blender. Next, a peanut sauce is prepared by blending roasted peanuts with water, garlic, onions, and tomatoes in a food processor or blender. The mixture is then cooked over medium heat until it thickens and develops a rich and creamy consistency. Once the peanut sauce is ready, the cooked cassava leaves are added to the pot and mixed together with the sauce. The dish is then simmered over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the flavors to blend together. Saka saka has a rich and hearty flavor that is both satisfying and nutritious. The cassava leaves provide a nutritious and flavorful base, while the peanut sauce adds depth and richness to the dish. The dish is also a good source of protein and healthy fats, making it a nutritious and filling meal. In Central African Republic, saka saka is considered a staple dish and is often served during special occasions and family gatherings. In Central African Republic, saka saka is considered a staple dish. And is often served during special occasions and family gatherings. The dish is a symbol of the country's rich culinary heritage and is an important part of Central African cuisine. Here are some more dishes and beverages that are popular in Central African Republic. Kanda. Kanda is a hearty stew made from cassava leaves, meat, and spices. The dish is often served with rice or fufu and has a rich and savory flavor. Mboke. Mboke is a dish made from fish or meat that is cooked in banana leaves with vegetables and spices. The dish has a smoky and flavorful taste and is often served with fufu or rice. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a popular beverage in Central African Republic that is made from fresh ginger, lemon, and honey. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a popular beverage in Central African Republic that is made from fresh ginger, lemon, and honey. The tea has a spicy and refreshing taste and is often consumed as a natural remedy for colds and flu. Chakuya. Chakuya is a snack made from ground nuts that are roasted and seasoned with spices. The snack is a popular street food in Central African Republic and is often enjoyed with a cold beverage. Sorghum beer. Sorghum beer is a traditional African alcoholic beverage that is made from sorghum grains. The beer has a sour and slightly sweet taste and is often consumed during social gatherings and celebrations.